capitalist. Welcome to the fascinating world of real estate investing. Ever pondered the power of rental properties? Let's unpack it. Start by purchasing a property, preferably in a thriving area. Look for single-family homes, duplexes, or even larger apartment complexes. Depending on your appetite for risk, you can purchase value-add, non-cash flowing properties, or purchase passive cash flowing properties. Next, rent it out. This is where the magic happens. Your tenants pay you monthly rent. After covering the mortgage, taxes, and maintenance costs, the remaining amount is your passive income. Imagine having multiple properties, each generating a steady stream of income. It's like having several small businesses that operate without your daily involvement. And the best part? Over time, your properties appreciate, enhancing your wealth. Welcome to the world of real estate investing. Explore, invest, and watch your wealth grow. Stay tuned for more insights into real estate investing and discovering the power of passive income through rental properties. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today. It's time to make your money work for you. To learn more and grow your business knowledge, subscribe to the Capitalist channel. See you next time.